What's going on, folks? So look, a new survey from the Kaiser Family Foundation shows that 2 million people have now officially lost access to health insurance. They are uninsured as a direct result of the cuts that the Republicans made to the Affordable Care Act subsidies. 2 million people, 1 out of every 10 folks who had the Affordable Care Act previously are now uninsured. This is a big deal. You know, the Republicans tried to say that there would not be any folks who were losing their health insurance as a result of the changes they were making to healthcare, that these were not cuts to health insurance. But that is not the case. And so if we want to see these subsidies put back into place, if we want to increase the level of our insured population, if we want to make sure that people have access, that the most vulnerable people have access to healthcare, we need to put into power people who actually prioritize these things. We have the midterms coming up. Reach out to people who are running in the midterms. Ask them what you plan to do about the Affordable Care Act and see what their answers are. Not just for yourself, but also for people in your community, because it all trickles to all of us. When you have millions of people who are pulled out of the insurance pool, you have hospitals that are no longer able to function, right? Because they're not able to pay all the bills, and thus hospitals all throughout the community end up getting shut down. And so we all benefit from all of us having insurance and having access to healthcare. Ask your politicians what they plan to do about these Affordable Care Act subsidies. All right, folks, I'll see you next time.